Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Fabricate Friday video. For today's project, I am featuring this designer series paper, or pattern paper if you will, called Patterned Play. And also, I want to say that I am also featuring this little bee. These are the bumblebee trinkets, and they are super cute, just on any paper that has flowers on it. I love it. It's a nice little embellishment there. So we have used Poppy Parade here and this paper. I'm still going to use the same paper, just a different color of cardstock. All right, here we have 8.5 by 9, and on the long side we are going to score at 2 and 7. All right, we're going to turn it around, and here we have the 8.5 inch side. We're going to go score at 2, 4, 6, and 8. I have my bone folder here. I'm going to fold and burnish all of my score lines. All right, I have my scissors here. What I'm going to do is cut up on the long, or this score line here, and we're going to cut them all. Going to flip it around and do the same on this side. Okay, so these little rectangles here, we're going to wedge them out. So they're gone. Then we're going to cut these top ones in half, and we're going to wedge them. I'm not going to do anything with this one or this one, but this guy I'm going to wedge and cut in half. And I think that's good. We can always adjust afterwards. Here's my adhesive. I'm going to put adhesive on the front side of this. So I like to put adhesive close to the score line and on the free edge. Sometimes this a strong adhesive can rip, so make sure. I do a little back and forth rolly. That seems to help. All right, so we're gonna skip this piece and we're gonna flip this piece over. We're gonna do the exact same thing close to the score line and on the free edge. All right. So I'm going to bring the top portion up, and I'm going to move it along the table and keep it nice and square. And this half piece is I'm going to adhere that half piece to my adhesive bits. So now, since there's adhesive on these pieces, what we're going to do is butt them up nice and straight and sandwich the half piece in. So we're making these sides very, very strong. And we've also got a really nice square box. So these pieces can go inside, and there you have it. So I have noticed here there's a little bit of a lip hanging over, and I'm just going to cut that piece off. And sometimes, like I said, it's just maybe that we didn't take off as much of the score line as we should, but now it's nice and tidy, totally easy to decorate. So for your pattern paper, you're going to lead 3 pieces that are 1 3/4 by 4 3/4. And again, this is Pattern Party. This paper you can get for a discounted price. I always have a hard time trying to explain what host rewards are, and basically hosts can earn Stampin' rewards based on the totals of an entire party or one order. If you have $200 before tax and shipping, you can get 10% in Stampin' rewards. And these items here on page 170 and 171 are the items that you can earn. And the paper is one of them. It is reduced in price, so it would be normally $40. It's reduced in price to $24. So that means that you could, if you had $240 worth of sales, you could get this particular paper for free. We have 2 more 1 3/4 by 1 3/4 pieces of paper to apply, and they go on the sides. Let's not forget about the B that we have to put in the middle. So I have a ruler here, and I know this box is 5 inches, so I'm just going to put a little mark at 2.5. Good enough, I can see it. I don't have any pencils handy, that would have been better. I have my trinkets. They certainly give you a lot of trinkets. And here is my glue dots. My glue dots are acting funny. The glue is on the outside instead of on the inside of the wax paper. So I've had to rearrange how I use them. All right, I'm just plunking that straight in the middle. And here's the green version. I love them. Poppy Parade and Granny Apple Green. Such great sizes for anything. The uses are endless. So you can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the video's See More section or in the supply section of my blog. The links will take you to my Canadian online store. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.